Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best 3/4 heat shrink tubing is probably one of the most versatile and essential components in any DIYer's or professional's toolkit, offering a robust and reliable solution for insulating, protecting, and bundling wires and cables. Whether you're working on intricate electronics, automotive repairs, or general household wiring, this tubing provides a clean, professional finish that enhances both the safety and longevity of your projects. Its ability to shrink down tightly around connections creates a secure seal against moisture, abrasion, and other environmental factors, making it indispensable for ensuring the integrity of your electrical work and preventing short circuits or signal loss. Number 5. Wirefy 180 PCS Heat Shrink Tubing Kit. Introducing the Wirefy 180-piece Heat Shrink Tubing Kit, your solution for secure wire connections. This kit offers superior performance and reliability for all your electrical needs. Experience a perfect seal every time with our 3:1 shrink ratio. It recovers to 1/3 of its original diameter, ensuring a much tighter fit than standard 2:1 tubing. Our tubing features an inner adhesive layer that melts and seals the connection when heated. This provides robust, long-lasting insulation and protection against the elements. With 7 commonly used diameters included, from 3/32 to 3/4 inches, you'll have the right size for any project. Each piece is conveniently pre-cut to 3.5 inches. Using it is incredibly easy. Just slide the tube over your connection and apply heat for professional-grade results in seconds. No special tools required. The dual-wall construction offers excellent abrasion resistance and strain relief. Plus, it's UL certified, guaranteeing quality and safety you can trust. What we like. This kit offers a wide variety of sizes for common applications. If you need a comprehensive solution for many different wire sizes and are looking for trusted safety certifications, this is a great choice. It provides industrial-grade quality and peace of mind. What people say. The tubing is easy to cut and strip, making it convenient for various applications. It provides excellent insulation and protection for wires and connections. The heat shrink tubing shrinks evenly and securely, creating a tight seal. Number 4. MILAPEAK 3/4-inch dual-wall heat shrink tubing kit. Protect your electrical wires from harsh environments with our premium heat shrink tubes. They are ideal for appliance and auto wire harnesses, solder joints, and marking groups of lines. Our heat shrink tubes are UL certified for up to 600 V and 257 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring safe and reliable use. They are also RoHS compliant and formaldehyde-free for your family's safety. Experience excellent electrical insulation and corrosion resistance. The heat-activated adhesive lining provides an impermeable seal against liquids, making it perfect for DIY projects. Tired of messy electrical tape? Our tubing offers a 3:1 shrink ratio, shrinking to 1/3 of its original size with just a hairdryer or heat gun for a tidy connection. You'll receive 4 feet of black and 4 feet of red 3/4-inch diameter, 3:1 dual-wall heat shrink tubing. Enjoy a pleasant shopping experience with our friendly customer service. For best results, ensure your heat gun reaches 212 degrees Fahrenheit. This will soften the internal glue, creating a secure seal for your connections. What we like. This option provides a generous 4-foot length in both black and red, perfect for projects where color coding or marking is important. If you're working on automotive or appliance wiring harnesses that need robust protection in harsh environments, this is ideal. What people say. The tubing is easy to cut and strip, making it convenient for various applications. It provides excellent insulation and protection for electrical connections, ensuring safety and durability. The heat shrink tubing shrinks evenly and quickly when heat is applied, creating a snug and secure fit. Number 3. Dual-wall adhesive marine heat shrink tubing. Introducing our premium marine-grade heat shrink tubing, designed for the toughest environments. It offers superior protection for your electrical connections. Featuring a heat-activated adhesive lining, it creates a completely impermeable seal. This ensures protection against saltwater and other harsh liquids. Constructed from high-quality polyolefin, this tubing is built to last. It provides excellent durability and resistance to wear and tear. This convenient 10-foot roll provides ample length for multiple applications. You'll have plenty to complete your projects with ease. With a 3-4 inch diameter and classic black color, it's perfect for a wide range of wires and cables. Get the professional finish you need. This is our model SES007, engineered for reliability in marine settings. Trust it to keep your connections secure and protected. What we like. For those tackling larger projects or needing continuous protection, this 10-foot roll is incredibly convenient. If you're working with marine applications or any environment exposed to saltwater and liquids, its impermeable seal makes it a superior choice for long-lasting durability. What people say. The tubing is easy to cut and strip, making it convenient for various applications. It provides excellent insulation and protection for electrical connections. The heat shrink tubing shrinks evenly and adheres well to the wires, creating a secure and durable seal. Number 2. YUKSY 3-4 inch dual wall heat shrink tubing kit. Introducing the YUKSY 3-4 inch dual wall heat shrink tubing kit. This large, marine-grade tubing offers superior waterproofing and insulation for your wiring needs. Experience excellent electrical insulation and a tight, secure seal. Once shrunk, it adheres firmly, providing a tidy and protected connection for wires and cables. Perfect for a wide range of uses, including wire connections, rust and corrosion prevention, and protecting electronic components. It's also ideal for DIY audio projects and protecting surfaces. Using it is incredibly easy. Simply apply heat evenly with a heat gun, and it shrinks to 1/3 of its original size, creating a robust seal around your connections. Rest assured, our tubing is UL certified and RoHS compliant, ensuring safety for you and your family. Protect your connections with confidence. This kit includes 2 4-foot long tubes in black and red. We also offer other sizes to perfectly match your project requirements. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for waterproof applications, ensuring a reliable seal against moisture. If you're involved in marine projects, audio installations, or any DIY electrical work where water resistance is critical, its dual-wall adhesive provides excellent protection and a tidy finish. What people say. The tubing is easy to cut and strip, making it simple to use. It shrinks evenly and securely around wires, providing a clean and professional finish. The adhesive lining inside the tubing creates a watertight seal, protecting connections from moisture and corrosion. Number 1. Electriduct 3-4 heat shrink tubing. Introducing the Electriduct 3-4 inch heat shrink tubing. This black, 25-foot roll offers a 3-to-1 shrink ratio for a secure fit. It shrinks down to 1/3 of its original diameter, ensuring a tight and protective seal around your wires and cables. Installation is a breeze. Simply slide it over your wires and apply heat with a heat gun for an even and professional finish. Perfect for a wide range of uses, from joining wires and color coding to protecting engine components in both professional and DIY projects. This tubing is RoHS compliant, UL listed, and halogen free, meeting high standards for safety and performance. Please note that measurements are taken round, not flat, before shrinking. This ensures you get the correct size for your needs. What we like. This is the go-to for extensive projects or professional use, offering a substantial 25-foot length. If you frequently work with wires and need a reliable, long-lasting supply of tubing for various applications, from professional installations to DIY projects, this bulk option offers great value and convenience. What people say. The tubing is easy to cut and strip. It shrinks quickly and evenly with a heat gun. The adhesive lining provides a good seal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.